Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria. Today, I want to share with you an individual gelatin in little cups, chocolate with mango. I know you guys are going to love it and enjoy it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients, I have little plastic cups, mango jello, chocolate jello, water, and milk. This is everything we need for this delicious individual mango chocolate jello. So let's get started. I am going to start with the mango mixture. Okay, for the mango, it requires 3 cups of just hot water. We're going to go ahead and start adding the hot water, and we're only going to use 3 cups. Now to this, I'm going to add the whole bag in there, making sure that I put everything in here, and we're going to mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that everything is really nice and combined. I'm going to go ahead and put it aside. I am going to continue. I have a saucepan here. I have a measuring cup, and I'm going to add 3 cups of milk. The chocolate jello requires 3 cups of milk, and it comes out very creamy, very delicious. I'm adding the milk to my saucepan, and let's take it to the stove and start cooking the milk, getting it nice and hot. We are going to go ahead and be mixing it while it's really getting nice and hot. We want to make sure that it doesn't stick on the bottom. And now I am adding the whole mixture of the chocolate jello. I'm going to mix it around for 1 or 2 minutes. When it's really nice and incorporated, I am going to remove it from the heat. This is completely done. It's really nice and incorporated. It looks really chocolatey. Okay, now I'm going to transfer the whole mixture, making sure that I mix it completely, and now I'm just going to add it to my cup. The reason that I'm adding it so it starts cooling down before I start adding it to my individual cups. Okay, this is done. I have my 2 mixtures here. They are both still nice and hot. And I'm using this little cups with the little tips, so it's easier for me to pour on into the plastic cups. Okay, the mango mixture, it's really nice and warm. It's no longer hot. And now I'm going to start preparing this dish, and I'm going to add a towel so that I could lay the little cups sideways. This is a kitchen towel, and as you can see, I'm just making it really nice and tight. If you don't have one of these containers, you could use a cupcake pan and just put the little cup sideways. And let me show you how I'm going to do it, okay? So that it's easier for you at home, and you have such a beautiful decoration on the cups. I know that this takes time, but believe me, when these little individual cups are done, you are going to say, wow, they look so beautiful. The jello, you'll see some on one side and some on the other side. And I'm using 6 cups. Okay, once you have them really nice, sideways every single one, what I'm going to do is start adding the mixture of the mango. Just like this, making sure that they're all sideways, almost the same. Just be careful, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding the chocolate mixture. And I'm just going to add a little bit at a time, making sure that it almost gets to the rim of every single cup. You could even see how they look from the bottom. You want to make sure that they're really sideways. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. The rest of the mixture, I'm going to go ahead and just add it here. I have a little bit left over of the chocolate mixture, and I'm going to add it here. The reason that I added a little bit of vegetable spray is so that I can release it very easily. I'm just going to add the rest of the chocolate mixture in here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, the time has passed, and now I'm going to start changing the size of the cups. Now the chocolate side is going to be on the top, and the bottom is going to be empty. On the bottom side, I'm going to add the mango mixture. Look at this. Okay, this seems that it's really nice. And now when you have everything like this, I'm going to start pouring in the mango mixture. I'm going to go ahead and do it slowly so that the cups do not tip over. Just like this. Make sure that you hold them so that you won't make a mess. One by one, putting the mixture inside. Look at this. They look so beautiful with the two colors. Now I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for another 15 minutes. The rest of the mixture, I'm going to go ahead and just add it here to the chocolate jello. It's already a little bit firm, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead. I want to see the chocolate on the bottom and the mango on the top. It's going into the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's nice and firm, and I'm going to start cutting little squares because the little squares are going to be the decoration of the individual cups. Look, I'm going to start pulling them apart, and let me show you. You could see the chocolate on the bottom, and you could see the mango right on the top. Let me put them aside, and let me get my cups. They are nice and firm. Look how beautiful they look. You could see on one side the chocolate, on the other side the mango mixture. Look at this. Okay, this is completely done, and now it's time for the decoration. What I'm going to do, I am going to add some whipping cream right on the top. I want to make sure that I add it and cover the whole top. And then right in the center, I'm going to add one of the little squares. Standing up or laying, you decide. This looks already amazing. Look how beautiful the little square looks right on the top. And if you put it sideways, you could see the both colors, the chocolate and the mango. The same with the bottom. Okay, this is completely done, and now I am ready for the presentation. And of course, I can't wait to taste it. So I'll see you back in a little bit. completely done with this delicious chocolate mango jello with a little bit of whipped cream right on the top. You know, this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. This jello is ready for the go, ready for the kids at home. They just get a little cup and they're ready to eat it. Well, I don't want to keep talking and I want to taste this delicious jello. Let's see how this came out. And with that whipped cream on the top, perfection. Excuse me. The mango and the chocolate, a perfect combination. This just came out amazing. Perfect for summer. Perfect when you have just finished a delicious dinner and you want to have something sweet but yet not too heavy. Well, this is a perfect dessert. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe. Give me thumbs up. Share my video on social media. Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell. So every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious jello. Bye-bye.